We got a lovely Monday late morning. Just getting here on the Rivière Rouge at Huberdeau. In a little section from here down to past the Rapide des Chiennes. Nice day for it. Water's pretty low. I'm gonna go take a look at the sill up here to see what's what and just have a nice little relaxing day on the river, I think. Let's go. No, just had a great blue heron take off in front of me. Pretty impressive. Kind of almost feels like something prehistoric when you see it taking off like that in front of you. Which is probably not too far from the truth. Anyway, probably one of the cooler birds we've got in the area. There we go. Some ducks. What's up, bud? Well, this is kind of cool. Passing below this bridge, about 20 feet below, and there's driftwood up there. I mean, that kind of gives you an idea of how high this river gets during the spring melt when that bridge is and a stool, driftwood and a little stool. Cool stuff. Cool stuff. Coming up that Rapide des Chiennes. I can't remember which side of the river the portage is on. Oops. But there is supposed to be one. I'd like to go and take a look at least to check out the rapid before I run it. Maybe I'll get a spot for lunch up here too. Anybody wants a good read? I haven't done them in order, but all of his books, Adam Schultz, are amazing. Here we are, Rapide des Chiennes. I don't think I'll be doing this channel anyway. There's another one on the other side. Alright, here we go, Rapide des Chiennes. Rapide des Chiennes in the books. Not a bad day on the river. Hard to have a bad day on the river. Yeah, well, at the takeout, a few kilometers before the start of the Herrington Canyon. I love this valley. wouldn't be opposed to getting up and seeing if there's any hikes to do up in those mountains. But that'd be for another time, another adventure. For now, I've got a little bit of a bike ride ahead of me. There's the bike. Have a little, and take a quick dip and get going. So I'm on the road. Going past a little monastery. I'm about 10K ride, I think. And then drive back and get the canoe. Here we are. Back at the track. That was a fun day. Let's go get the canoe.